Now that we understand the layout of the keyboard, we are going to look at the names given to all of the white keys. Although there are many keys on a piano, only the first 7 letters of the alphabet are used to name the white keys. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. When we get to G, we simply start from A again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And this carries on all the way up the keyboard. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. On most instruments, if not all, we call keys with specific names notes. Think of it this way. A piano or a keyboard has a number of keys. There are 88 keys on a full-size piano. A keyboard can have 76 keys or 61 keys and even less. These keys have specific note names. For example, note A, note B, note C, note D, and so on. We don't say this is key A or key B. So from now on, we'll refer to all specific keys on the piano as notes.